video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your premium LinkedIn subscription. Once you are on your LinkedIn profile, on the home page, here on the menu, choose the Me icon, click on it, then choose from the options Access My Premium, click on it. Then this page will open. Scroll a little bit down. And then on the right side, you'll see here Manage Premium Account. Click on it to expand it, and then you'll see among the options Cancel Subscription. So once you click Cancel Subscription, that will mean that your subscription is cancelled, but you will still have your premium LinkedIn account active until the date of expiry of the current subscription. So for example, monthly subscription is valid for 1 month. So if you have subscribed on your account let's say on the 1st of October, then your premium account subscription is valid until 1st of November. So you would like to cancel it a few days before to still have the premium account subscription valid until the 1st of November, even though you have cancelled it a few days before, or even 10 days before, 20 days before. Now, if you click here on Switch Plans, if you are currently on a job search plan, then you will have an option to switch your job searching plan to or premium career plan to the business plan. Or you can also switch your monthly subscription to the annual subscription here, and this way you'll save 33%. So much about canceling your premium LinkedIn subscription. However, you can achieve really a lot even without premium subscription. On LinkedIn, you can achieve a lot in an organic, unpaid way.